Google Merchant Center Next is here. As you may have seen in the previous months, Google has gradually moved from Google Merchant Center to Google Merchant Center Next, which is completely different than the previous one. We have new tabs, we have new features, new functions, and the previous tabs, like for example, the feed upload that was in this column now has been moved to another section. So in the next videos we are going to navigate the new platform, and I want to show you what is different and how to find the all important function, all important tab, but also I want to do a specific focus on each tab. So today I want to show you where you can find the feed tab, which, as I said before, was in the left column, now has been moved to the settings, and then you can find data sources. Once you are here, you can see the found by Google, which are the products that Google found on your website, and this number might be different than the one that you upload in your feed. You can choose to use or not this tab. You can just easily stop to managing the products. Here, for example, we have our main feed. From the actions column, we can edit countries or delete the source, or we can even add a product source. But let's see first what we have inside our feed. So we mainly have three tabs. Latest update, so here we can see the of course the latest update, and if we have issues, total products, then we have the data source setup, and as in the previous Merchant Center, we can choose to automatically update our feed every 24 hours or even weeks or monthly, and the time that we want to use. Then we have the file URL, so it is basically our Google feed. Credentials, only if you are using a username or password, and the source name. And going down, we also have how the data will be used, so the countries, the language, the feed label. We will see in the next videos how important it is. And then here we have the marketing methods, so where we want to show our products. So free listings, shopping ads, or display ads. We can choose all of them, or just one. Shopping, for example, but I usually manage the feed on all marketing methods. And then we have the advanced options, so how we want to read our feed, and different options. So it really depends on how we upload our feed and how it has been created. And then we have the attribute rules, which is the old rules of Google Merchant Center. So here, for example, I did something on custom label 3, but yes, it is basically the same thing. And here we can also update manually our feed. So let's say that I'm gonna do in a few minutes a change to the main feed. The next update will be tomorrow at 4 a.m. So I decided to update it manually now. So I will see the latest updates in a few minutes. It depends on how big they are. But let's try also to do a new upload. So I'm gonna click on add product source, and then we have the same ways to upload the feed as the previous Google Merchant Center. So from a file means that we are gonna just to copy and paste a URL, for example the one that I was showing you before, and then edit schedule. So again, we can use daily, weekly, or monthly, and it's important to select the right time zone. Username or password only if you need it. And then we might use also SFTP or Google Cloud Storage, or something from our computer. Or we can use a Google Sheet, but it's a static solution, so we need to create manually a feed, but it won't change unless we don't change the Google Sheet. So I really don't recommend this solution. Or we can upload a feed by Google API. Once we have uploaded our feed, remember to also choose the country, the language, marketing methods, and the feed label. And after continue, you will just have a new feed here in this section. If you would like to see the next videos about Google Merchant Center, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. And also, if you have any question, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer you, or maybe I can answer you in the next videos about GMC. And that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.